कि क्या क्या है, अवॉइडेंस ऑफ नॉन क्लिनिकली इंडिकेटेड सीजर सेक्शन। रिस्क फैक्टर क्या है, वही मल्टीपल गेस्टेशन, प्रीवियस सीजर, यूट्राइन स्ट्रक्चरल असिस्ट कंसेप्शन। वार्निंग क्या है, लो लाइंग प्लेसेंटा 20 वीक्स, एनेमली स्कैन अगर कोई मिल गया है, मेटरनल कोलैप्स है, फीलिंग कोल्ड लाइट। लेकिन अगर कोई लो लाइंग प्लेसेंटा 20 वीक पे है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि प्लेसेंटा प्रीविया हो गया होगा, क्योंकि हो सकता है जैसे जैसे यूट्रस ग्रो करे ये अपने आप ठीक भी हो सकता है। The characteristic presenting complaint of a bleeding ascites placenta previa is that of painless vaginal bleeding. The bleeding may trigger preterm labor, so often patients will bleeding from placenta previa will have a irregular abdominal pain associated with the uterine contractions. A placenta previa is diagnosed using ultrasound, preferably transvaginal, to allow accurate measurement of the placenta edge from the internal os. Often patients will have been highlighted as having a low-lying placenta at their anomaly scan, so there should be a high index of suspicion in any of the patient presenting with vaginal bleed. If there is minimal vaginal bleeding, the cause is clearly local vaginal bleeding. Symptomatic management may be given, for example, antifungal preparations for candidiasis. As long as there is a reasonable certainty that cervical carcinoma is excluded by smear history and direct visualization of the cervix, placental causes of bleeding are a major concern. भाई cervix का कैंसर है तो भी आफत है ही फिर तो। A large gauge intravenous cannula is cited, blood sent for full count, clotting and cross-match, and appropriate fetal and maternal monitoring instituted. If there is a major fetal and maternal compromise, decision may have to be made about immediate delivery irrespective of gestation. An attempt at maternal steroid injection should still be made. If this is the situation and bleeding is continuous, emergency management is required. If bleeding settles, the woman must be admitted for 48 hours as the risk of rebleeding is within the same time. Rhesus statement is important. Status is important. If the mother is rhesus negative, and send a closer test to determine whether any or how much fetal has leaked. वो जो मैंने तुम्हें rhesus incompatibility में बताया था. And Mr. NTD. When there is substantial vaginal bleed in excess of 500 ml, antenatal corticosteroid should be considered gestation at 35 weeks, as the risk of preterm delivery is significant. तो बच्चे की lungs mature नहीं हो पाएंगी. Vasa previa, ये एक अलग word है. Vasa previa occurs when fetal vessels traverse the fetal membrane over the internal os. These vessels may be from either a vermentous insertion of the umbilical cord or may be joining an accessory placental lobe to the main disc of the placenta. Diagnosis is usually suspected with either spontaneous artificial rupture of the membrane, जो कोरियन एमियन होती है बच्चों के चारों तरफ, और जब वो फट जाएंगी स्पॉन्टेनियसली, आर्टिफिशियल आपने रप्चर किया, उसके बाद painless fresh vaginal bleed होता है from the rupture of the fetal vessel. This condition is associated with a very high perinatal mortality from fetal exsanguination, क्योंकि blood बच्चे का इतनी तेजी से निकलेगा. If the baby is still alive, once the diagnosis is suspected, the immediate cause of action is delivery by emergency C-section. तो वासा प्रीविया में बेसिकली हो क्या रहा है, जो वेसल्स हैं बच्चे की वो फीटल मेम्ब्रेन के बाहर आ गई हैं, जो फीटल मेम्ब्रेन जो रप्चर कर गई थी या तो स्पॉन्टेनियसली या आपने उसको रप्चर